Carol.
Grace. Sierra. Bobby. Welcome to our channel. Welcome to Carol Time. Please subscribe.
Alright guys, it's currently 9 a.m. And since about 8:30, Dad has been taking all of our shutters off. And Bubby just woke up because Papa's taking shutters down and it's not quiet. But you can see out the windows. We're not in a cage. Here's the cats. They're so curious with what Dad's doing. But as of right now, all shutters are going down. We're gonna put all the furniture back out and then we're gonna drive over and see the beach. But here's Jinx, so curious. Hi, Jinxie. Hi, Jinxie. Do you like the camera? What's he doing? You are so cute. Hi. They're only a year old. He's so cute. They're so curious. They'll be happy to go on the back porch later. See if Scooter's still behind the chair. There he is. Scooter. Scooter. Anyway, we have all these waters. Hi, honey. Good morning. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Don't go potty and then come back to mommy. Let's see if he took the... Oh, yay. We can open the garage now and we're going to take the van out and empty the van out and then we're going to go see the water. And trash pickup comes tomorrow. Thank God. While cleaning, even though it doesn't look like we've been cleaning, but we have, like, the rooms, we have managed to gather a lot of trash. But let's go outside and just see. God, I haven't been able to do this in a couple of days. Here's the shutters down. How big our porch looks like empty. And it's looking like today's just gonna be super rainy. But I'm happy we're safe. Anyway, this is the update so far. We will update you more as the day goes on. But I just wanted to add in that the shutters are going down. Right after I filmed that morning, this was what was going on live right after. Probably about 10 o'clock. This was live. Alright guys, we are here. Gaga is backing in. And we are going to go check out what happened. But a lot of tree pieces are down. Guys, the news is here. The news is here.
Maybe that's why nobody can check it out, because the news is here.
Alright guys, I'm only going to do this for like a second just to get a quick clip. But it looks like the news is over here. And you're not supposed to be even on the beach. But let's just get a quick view. Here's the water. Whoa. All the news stations are here. All right, here we are. Sierra's like, I want to be on the news. All right, here we go. We're just gonna go look. You can go down real quick. Yeah, if you're gonna act like that, they're gonna kick us off. Guys, let's walk over here, away from the news. but we're only here for a second. Oh my God, she's found some awesome shells. What you think, bud? Cool? What do you think, Grace? The news is freaking the kids out. Don't get wet, bud. You found a cool shell? Collect some. Collect them for Grandma. Don't touch. I don't think that's a shell, sis. Oh, I think Bubby's on the news. They're filming Bubby right now. Can't bring that right now. Shell right there. That's beautiful. Hurry. That's all right. Grab it. Grab it. It's so pretty. Get it. Get it. Get it. All right, everybody move. Move, move, move. All right, Grandma and Aunt Shirley and them are waiting, so we got to go. But we just wanted to film this real quick. This is insane how deep.
Oh, my shoe! Oh, come on. I'm going to stop this show. Oh, it's like a big dip for them.
Yeah, there is a huge dip. Bobby, keep getting your shells. Here the kids are posing with the news channel that was on the beach. All right, guys, it's super windy here. Kids are meeting a dog right now. Let's lock the van. And we're on the island now. All right, guys, we're gonna go check out another beach because the other one was technically closed. Roxy, the little dog they just met, just gave all the kids $1. So cute.
This one we took 15 hours.
No, this isn't the beach that we had to walk an hour and a half to get to.
That's in another county, not this one.
Yeah. Bobby, your glasses are on point today. Go, where are we going? Where are we going? We're going on an adventure. Bobby, where are we going? This is a maze to the beach. Do you know how to get to the ocean? All right, we're gonna follow you, okay? Yeah. They have shutters up over there. I'm gonna try to film that. Shutters up on parts of the hotel. Whoa, look at that. Here, hand it to mommy. I'll open it in 1 minute.
Hey guys, let's get it.
Wow, bud. Look at those waves, though. Wow, here's a surfer. Watch him, guys. Oh, he missed that wave. Bubs, doesn't that look fun?
Watch, it will might take it back.
Might take the rock back. I don't know. All right, come on, buddy.
Right.
Surfer. Everybody's looking for shells. The other beach had more. He's following my feet.
Oh, I see.
I'll follow your feet. He's so cute in his glasses. Is that a turtle egg?
I think so.
Oh, that's sad. Hopefully it got out before. And Shirley found a turtle egg, but no turtle. Wow, looks like the waves are way up here. This is intense.
Yeah. The wind is going this way. There you go.
This little mini kite. Wow, look at it!
Now it's going. All right, walk towards mother.
Hold it up, up, up. Yes, there you go. All right, run down there for 1 minute. You can run. Not near the water, that way. Go, 1 minute, go. So cute. Come on, Bobby, we need to go. The water's coming up. Oh my God, please, not me, not me. No. Come on, baby. Good job. Look at it, so cute. There you go, buddy. Bobby, run. Wow, that was loud. God, we haven't been to the beach in so long. It's sad it takes a hurricane to get us all at the beach. Bubby's getting his kite wound up. Good job, Bubby. Lots of turtle eggs. That's sad. Here's Grace. Say hi.
Hi.
All right, you ready for a picture? Guys, turtle eggs.
Careful.
Here's one. Doesn't look damaged. There's one. Here's Bobby. Bobby, can I help you?
He's doing pretty good.
Look how slow he's going. He's so cute.
I have $2 of this.
Oh, thanks. beach.
Yeah.
But can you see it, Grace?
Yeah, these hotels are bigger than they seem on camera.
Do you want to film for me? Wow, that's pretty cool. Let's zoom out some. Kind of zoomed in a little too far right there. I need a car mount for the phone. Oh, the wind is moving the car. Did you feel that? Yeah.
That's how strong the wind is right now?
Yeah, that's wild. All right, I'm gonna hold it with the other hand. There. Much better.
It's like the wind wants to drive the car.
Look here, look how big. These are like completely boarded up.
Yeah, all those white things in the windows are shutters.
Yeah.
Some people took them off.
Yep. Anyway, we saw lots of surfers. That was pretty cool, right? Did you like that?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part about the second beach? I feel like the first beach had better shells.
Yeah, and it wasn't as steep.
I know, that one was just
My
small.
My ankle was hurting because I was like walking.
Because you were walking on a, like you were
Slant.
technically, it was so weird how steep that was.
I was like literally
There's
walking on a
Sissy.
wall.
Listening to music. And say hi, Bubby. Did you fly your kite? Did you have fun? And then there's lots of flooding too. Look at all that flooding.
That's flooding?
Yeah, that's all flooding. That water's not supposed to be there.
And there's like, I see the sidewalk, so it's not, I definitely know it's not.
Yeah, the sidewalk's flooded. I just noticed that since you said sidewalk. How cute this little restaurant is. This is where we're about to
Taco
eat.
Tiki.
And I'll film if I can.
I've never
on the way in.
eat.
So cute. So we're gonna go eat lunch at this place. And the kids can eat outside. You'll get mommy's phone in a minute. Oh, this is so cute. All right, so we're gonna eat and Bubby's gonna get my phone. All right. This is cute.
Look, I think I do serve tacos. It says it's always tacos.
Yay! Awesome. Hi, Sissy. Somebody's tired after lunch. We just got back home. Say hi. Somebody's grumpy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You missed me. You missed me. All right. Anyway, he's very, very, very sleepy. So we're going to go take a little quiet time. And I'm going to end the video here. It's 2 o'clock. All morning we were pretty much at the beach and hanging out with Aunt Shirley. And so now we're going to go in and have a little quiet time, give all the kids showers. And then I'm going to run to the store if it's open and get some food for lunches. Windy right now. We're just getting all the wind now from the hurricane. Now I said that I was ending the video earlier, but it's now almost 8 o'clock and we're on the way to Publix. But the sky is gorgeous. Look at this. So I wanted to add this in. Look how pretty tonight is.
Hey, guys! Guys!
What?
Watch this!
He's throwing my water, then I told him to grab me. All right, well, we need to go to Publix. Come on. It's just so pretty. Beautiful. All right, guys. All right, I will. It's 8 p.m. We're officially done with this video, and it's probably gonna end up being like a 30-minute vlog. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed the video that you just watched, and don't forget to consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you don't miss a video that we upload. We love you so much. Thank you for clicking on our video and for watching our channel. We appreciate each and every one of you, and we love you. Thank you so much.